What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a new tutorial. I have a new tutorial using the newest palette on the block. This is the Norvina Volume 5, okay? We on Volume 5, okay? Listen, and it's all purpled out. If y'all don't know, pink and purple, I love pink and purple eyeshadow, okay? Pink and purple is my jam, and then pink is my favorite color, as you guys can see. And we all purpled out, okay? So let me show you guys this palette, what it looks like. This is it right here. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this look today. Comment down below. What I want you guys to comment down below today. Comment down below if you even plan on picking this palette up. Let me know. Let me know if you even rocking with Norvina. Do you guys like Norvina? Because I know a lot of people don't like her. Do y'all like her? I kind of feel like I'm indifferent to her, you know. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like the video, okay? I want you to smash that like button, okay? Smash it. And what's the other thing that I tell you guys to do as well too? I think that's it. I think that's it. I literally cannot remember. I think I said everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so like I said in the intro, I'm going to be showing you guys my look using the new Norvina Volume 5. I love the Norvina palettes, okay? Love them. So this is what the inside looks like, all purple. And you guys, I love Norvina, okay? I love her palettes. Let me say I love her palettes, okay? Got all the Norvina, the big ones. Got the minis here. So I had to get 5. Like at this point, I'm collecting. So yeah, I picked all that up. So I already have my brows fully filled in. I use the Anastasia brow pomade in the shade Ebony. Listen, I've been using that pomade since 2014 and I will not change it. I've tried other stuff. Pomade from ABH is just it. And then to prime my eyes, I use the Makeup Revolution, their eyeshadow base in the shade Medium. I'm trying to get the Juvia's Place one, but it's like out of stock. Okay, all right, so first things first, I think I have what I kind of want to do in mind. Yes, I have it planned out. It's all in my head. Actually, yes. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this shade right here called C3, and let me see if this is deep enough to do what I'm trying to do, but I'm gonna place this all over my lid. Okay, I might have to cover this up with a different color, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over first. Okay, I like this color on its own, but I want to take a little bit of the shade called D5, which is kind of like an eggplant purple. A little bit of this one. And I'm just gonna like place that over this just a little bit. Oh yeah, see that just gives it a different look. I don't know, because it's a warmer purple. Let's see, I just want to put a little bit on. Okay, now taking this big fluffy brush. By the way, this brush that I was using to pack that on was the Morphe M441. And then this one, the number rubbed off, but I'm pretty sure it's the M503. Any blending brush. And I'm going to take the shade B3, which is right above the C3 shade, this like lavender pastel looking shade. And I'm going to use that to go ahead and buff out my crease and blend this out. So this is a pressed pigments palette, if I'm correct. They all are for the most part. Yeah, I believe this is a pressed pigment palette. And usually with these palettes, it's better to layer on your darker shades first, and then like go back and blend over it with a lighter shade, just so like they actually stick. Well, that's at least, it works for me that way. But you know, you do your makeup however, you know, it comes out the way looking that you want it to look. But yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. I really got up this morning to go work out. I woke up at 7 this morning because I was gonna be busy all day and I was not gonna have time to do it later on. And I wanted to film this video for you guys. So, you know, like when you just like, you make plans the day before, like, okay, I'm gonna get up at this time, I'm gonna do X, Y, and Z, and you actually do it and you just feel so proud of yourself. Like, that's how I feel. Like, but yeah, real quick, now I'm just gonna I took a little bit of that C3, that first shade I put down, and I'm just gonna like blend this back in here to kind of make it a little bit more pronounced. this is coming together, because at first it was looking crazy, but that's usually how it is. Now this palette, usually with pressed pigments, you do get a lot of fallout. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. Do y'all see all of that fallout from that C3 shade? So, I mean, that's pretty normal. Usually when things are like pressed pigments, I don't mind the fallout. But just so you guys know, you are going to get some fallout from these shades. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, so for the lid, I had in mind to either use A3 or E3. I was thinking either this shade right here or this shade right here. Ooh, this gonna have to be, oh, I don't know how I got this bump right here. But anyways, this shade right here might just have to be it. And then I'm thinking of doing like B1, which is like this like gold white looking shade, like in the inner corner. That's this shade. I'm gonna go first into that B1 shade, and I'm just gonna put it in my inner corner. This color reminds me of like NARS Albatross. Y'all remember that highlighter? Like it looked just white, but then when you put it on, that was like the OG. I still own that highlighter still today. And then next, I'm gonna take the shade E3, because that purple was just like pigmented. Oh yes, that is a very pretty color. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys about something. Like, people be like real life leaving crazy comments on my videos, which whatever, it's the internet. People just feel like they can say whatever the hell they want to say because they think they can. But the thing that is always crazy is when people just make up stuff that doesn't even make any sense. Somebody literally said on one of my other videos, like, and they like to comment on old videos too, that I talk way too fast and that my anxiety is through the roof. First and foremost, how do you just put something like that on somebody? I don't have anxiety. Like, that is something that people actually struggle with, and I don't claim that at all. Like, that is something that I'm glad that I don't experience, because people in real life cannot function like when their anxiety takes over. Also, it's normal for some people to talk faster than others. Like, for personally, I don't like people who talk slow. Like, well, let me not say I don't like you, but it's hard for me to listen to people who do talk slow. Like, can you please speed it up? Even YouTube videos, I don't watch videos in regular speed. Even my own videos, I double the speed up. Like, I listen fast and I talk fast. But it's so crazy when people just literally leave wild comments. And there's the other person like was trolling my channel the other day, and I'm like, okay, well, let me give you a response, because sometimes they don't think you're gonna respond and they be shocked, like, oh, she actually responded. Yes, you're gonna talk somebody crazy. But yeah. Oh, real quick, what I just did was, after I did all of that, I just took that D5 shade, which, you know what, I don't want to do that anymore. I'm gonna take this pencil brush. This is a pencil brush, or this brush. This is the M507, and I'm gonna go into the shade E5, which is this dark shade right here, and I'm just gonna put that right here, actually, just to give a little bit more depth to this look than doing the purple, because I really wanted to, like, you know, this is a really cute look. I like this a lot. And I'm just gonna take the same big fluffy brush and go into that same D5 shade and just slightly blend this color better, because it's not like, this small brush is not doing what I need it to do. Oh, I am in love with this look. This is really just pretty. Okay, now for lashes, you guys, if you have not already bought these lashes, I don't know what you, like, what are you doing? Like, you need to buy these lashes. I get these off of AliExpress. Okay, I'm gonna have them linked down below. These are only $2. Okay, they're only $2. Look at this. I'm just put it right here, because I don't have the glue on just yet. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna stay. Okay, look. And now that the world is slowly but surely opening back up, things aren't taking nearly as long to come from AliExpress, because these same lashes, I ordered them last year in June, or was it July? I think it was July. I ordered them in July. These lashes did not come to me until December. I ordered these same exact lashes and they came in 3 weeks, or was it 3 weeks? Probably like 2 weeks. I don't even know. But yeah, if you're worried about ordering stuff from AliExpress and it taking longer than its normal longer time, because it usually takes long to come from AliExpress, it is moving a little bit faster. But listen, you guys have got to get these lashes. They're only like $2 and some change. and they're so fluffy and big, and they literally remind me of like those little lashes that people are spending $30 on. Okay, so my lash glue is drying. I'm gonna go ahead, for sake of time, I'm gonna do my face off camera. I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. Yeah, and we're gonna close the video out, so I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look, and I love the way it came out. It looks so pretty. Like, I really love the way I did this eyeshadow today. Okay, so let me talk about this palette real quick. So it retails for $60. You get 25 shades in here, and they are the traditional way that the Norvina palettes are always named, A1 through 5. And all the way down through, so A, E, B, D, C, whatever, all that stuff. It is a primarily purple palette. Honestly, when I saw this palette, it really looked like an extended version of her original Norvina palette. I don't own that one. So I was just like, it just really looks like you just kind of extended that shade. Now, it has been said that Norvina loves purple because clearly we have the original Norvina Volume 1, which is pretty purple heavy too. Like, you know, it has other colors in there, but I mean, if you just cover the bottom half, this whole palette is pretty purple heavy up top as well too. And then she also had her, the Norvina, this one, the Norvina 4 there was still some purples in there. It was a little more pink heavy, but you definitely have some like, some purples thrown in there. So clearly this woman loves the color purple. Main difference is that this also is, the entire theme is lilac. All the original, or not the original, but the predecessors all have the black, while this is like all lavender. So yeah, I love these palettes. I really do. I feel like they're great quality. I know a lot of people did not like them, and I feel like part of it was just due to how it was released and like all that was going on in 2019. Obviously, the original 3 that first came out were around the same time that Jackie Aina's collab came out, and I wasn't a fan of how they did the launch, essentially. I just feel like y'all could have given my sis a little more shine, okay? And then y'all dropped Carly's palette after that, so I'm just like, okay, listen. But Amree's has been sitting on shelves for a whole year now. I kind of feel some type of way, But yeah, put that to the side. I actually do like this palette. I feel like a lot of people sometimes don't give a product a chance because of just them not liking a person or certain things. But I actually really do like these palettes. I would definitely recommend this. This is being, I know Sephora's selling it, and obviously Anastasia's website. And I'm not sure what other retailers are selling it, but I mean, I work for Sephora, so I just buy mine from Sephora. But anyways, yeah, that's all I really kind of have to say with this palette. Also, it does come with one pressed glitter. Yes, it does come with one pressed glitter, which is the shade D2 right here. I don't mind pressed glitters, but one thing I would give Norvina is that, because her Norvina 4 also had, I think, 2 pressed glitters in there. I feel like she gives a balance. Obviously, some people do like pressed glitter, some people don't. But I feel like she didn't overpower it with pressed glitter. She just put one in there. So it's still kind of like I do what I want to do, but you know, I'm still trying to cater to the masses for people who don't like the pressed glitter. So just so you know, it does have one in there. It does have one. But yeah, I will have this link down below if you do want to pick it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.